welcome back to my channel. Oh, this is a long awaited video, so if you're new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing so that you can keep in touch with all my latest videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I next upload. In the recent past, I've just done quite a few wish hauls, and as you probably watched some of my videos, some of the tops and outfits that I bought didn't quite fit well. And we had, if you remember rightly, we had this lovely little white dress. I'll put a little picture here of what it's supposed to look like, and obviously me wearing it. So obviously it was way too short. So this is a long awaited video in order to alter this dress and make it into a top. So yeah. So I have my my sewing machines here, so let's get into the DIY. Right, first things first, if you remember rightly, when I tried this on, this was way too short. There's obviously a section here as well, which isn't stitched very well. So basically we're gonna cut out, I'm gonna get my scissors. Yeah, so basically what we're gonna do, if you remember, the item wasn't stitched that well here, so I'm gonna cut that little section out. Obviously it's too long to be a top, so we're gonna take that middle section out and then move this up, so that whole middle section is gonna come out, so it's actually gonna be turned into a top. It wasn't quite long enough to be a dress, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut that whole section off, and then we're gonna cut that bit out as well. Right, so I'm gonna cut above this section here so that I can cut that section out. So I'm gonna get my scissors and I'm gonna start cutting along the line here. Yes, that takes that section off. This is the bottom section, sort of the underside section. So I'm gonna just cut that I'm gonna leave a little bit extra. Right, so we're gonna detach this section as well, because we're just gonna be using this bottom section. So we're gonna cut that section out as well. So we'll get rid of that middle section. So we're just left with this bottom section where the hem is as well. So that basically is gonna go attached to here like so, like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut this to the length of this. I'm just gonna guess at the moment. Just gonna guess. Cut that to there. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do right side to right side, find the seam. Right, so we've got right side to right side. We're going to put it in our overlocker. I've joined up the seams. So what I need to be doing is lining it up at the same time. There, I attach it down and then line these up. And what the overlock will do is just trim off the excess as well. So I'm going to be doing this quite slowly because I have to feed it through slowly. So yeah, so let's move on. Make sure that they're both lined up. Right, so we've now joined all that around the bottom, as you can see. We're now left with like a little fraying edge where we've got the extra bits that needed cutting off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to overlock the edge, and then that should be it then, and cut off all the extra strands. So let's finish that little bit off now. that's all done. As you can see that stitching is all done. So then we're going to get out the straight stitcher and we're going to go over the same with the straight stitch. Just to make the edge a little bit neater, what we're going to do is we're going to turn it over to just make, see what I mean, just turning it over, just making that edge a tad bit neater. So just going to position it in place, turned it over, the foot is holding it down, and as we sew we're going to turn the edge over inside so it's on the wrong side. So forward, and then we're going to go back with this button here and turn as we carry on. So turn. I'm going to finish off all around the edge. I did end up actually turning this bit over as well because it was a little bit long, so I wanted it to just fall just underneath the top layer. So yeah, so that's all done now. Yeah, completely finished. Didn't take too long. I'm going to put it on for you right now so that you can see the final look. Today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do want to see more videos like this, then leave me a comment in the link below. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant, and if you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one.